Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. If you've got questions about flood insurance, flood education, flood zone changes, elevation certificates, click below to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. You can also check out our daily flood education videos on our YouTube channel. Remember, we have an educational background on flood mitigation, which means we can help you understand flood risks like this right here, your flood insurance, and mitigating your property long term to help you minimize flood losses and flood premiums. Today we're talking about valued policies and direct physical loss. What's the difference? How does the National Flood Insurance Program treat their claims process when it comes to paying these out? So we're going to talk about that today. So what is a valued policy? Well, you see this building here behind me? Let's say that you go to an insurance company and you both agree on $150,000 in coverage. It would pay up to that, and it's going to pay that amount on a total loss. That could be a valued policy. Now, what's a direct physical loss? Pertaining specifically to flood, that's the actual loss that occurs from the peril of flood. Not a valued loss, but an actual direct physical, meaning nothing else is going to be covered. Just like typically a home insurance policy is not going to cover the direct physical loss of a flood, and vice versa. So what does the National Flood Insurance Program look at when they do their claims process? Well, all National Flood Insurance Program policies pay out on a direct physical loss basis. So this is how valued policies and direct physical loss policies work out. So if you've got questions about making sure that you have the right amount of coverage when your claim pays out, click below to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, which means we're here to help you understand flood risks like this right here, your flood insurance, and mitigating your property long term. Thank you.